In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to fix Microsoft Teams camera not working. If your video won't turn on in a meeting, it's usually a permissions or selection issue. First, we'll check your device settings. Open your system settings. On Windows, that's the Settings app from the Start menu. On a Mac, open System Settings from the Apple menu. Next, go to Privacy and Security. This is where your computer controls which apps can use hardware like the camera. Look for Camera in the Privacy list and open it. Inside the camera privacy page, make sure camera access is turned on for your device, and then confirm that Microsoft Teams specifically is allowed to use the camera. Many systems show a master switch for the camera, plus individual toggles for each app. If the switch next to Teams is off, turn it on. If you don't see Teams listed yet, launch the Teams app once and then come back to this screen so it appears. After changing these permissions, it's a good idea to fully quit and reopen Teams so the change takes effect. Now let's confirm the setting inside Teams itself. Open Microsoft Teams and go to the app's settings. You can get there by selecting your profile picture or the three-dot menu, then choosing Settings. In the sidebar, click Devices. This page controls your audio and video hardware for meetings. Under the camera section, open the camera drop-down and choose the device you want to use. If you have both a built-in and an external webcam, you'll see them listed here by name. Pick the one you intend to use and check the live preview to make sure your image appears. If the preview is blank, switch to another available camera in the list and check again. Keep the camera you choose consistent, especially if you move between a laptop lid camera and a USB webcam, so Teams knows which one to activate by default. Once permissions are enabled at the system level and the correct camera is selected in Teams, your video should work the next time you join a meeting. If you've made changes during a call, leave and rejoin so Teams reloads your camera. For peace of mind, start a quick test meeting or use the preview before your next call so there are no surprises. Thanks for watching, and I hope this helps you join your meetings on video without any hassle.